Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover my eyes only from photos on Snapchat. To start the process, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here tap on setting icon. Now scroll down and tap on I need help. Then search here how to recover my eyes only. As you can see, we can't find this option. Now scroll down and tap on contact us. Then select the option of I need help with the Snapchat feature. Then select memories from the list. Select my eyes only from here. Now enter your username. Then enter your email address. Then write the description as hello Snapchat, I lost access to my eyes only. Please help me get into my eyes only because it is important to me, thank you. After that, tap on submit. Snapchat will soon resolve your problem. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.